Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called Outgrow, and before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards on Outgrow, so make sure to check that out. Coming onto the platform, you can see this is an amazing AI powered, you can say, like quiz calculator and form generator. So calculators for different businesses are really important if you want to create some calculator for your products and anything and analyze the performance. Everything is available in here. On the left side of our screen you can see the heading. So using this you can easily change your heading to anything that you like for example, I'm going to be typing in here hello, and you can see it has now changed to hello, so you can build your own customizations according to your liking. Similarly goes for the subheading and the button text. So below you will be able to see you have some buttons that you can add, and also you can add the media. Simply check this add media option and upload some images. It will be uploaded in here. On the left side you can see you basically have this lead generation option, and using this you can add your welcome screen forms. If you enable this, it will be hidden, and if you disable it you can do that as well. Similarly for the overall design, you can change the colors, the sizing of the logo. You can customize your logo as well. So this is an amazing platform to create this type of pages. You can also see the settings to customize your settings according to your needs, so you can have better control. Now talking about this platform's reviews, if we head over to a platform, you will be able to see this is one of the best designing and form software that you can try out. So if you go through some of the reviews left by people, you can see he is saying happy customer, Outgrow is amazing, interactive content creation made easy, a game changer for interactive content, and much more. So highly recommended. You can head over to the link in the description to access Outgrow and get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.